my body. Today science class, no, before enter the class, we know about something science. What is meant by science? The study of knowledge about the physical world and natural laws. Physical world and natural laws are called science. Study of knowledge, which one? Physical world and natural laws. This only called science. The science, it can be divided into four branches. What are they? Physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. The physics is the fundamental science. Chemistry, this one proved in laboratory. Physics and chemistry joined together, that one is called physical science. Next, botany. What is meant by botany? The study of plants is called botany. The study of animal is called zoology. Both botany and zoology combined together is called biology. Now we discuss our topic, my body. Based on the position of the body, organs, based on the position of the organs, it can be divided into two. What are they? External organs and then internal organs. What do you mean by external organs? The organs present outside our body, and also we are able to see such organs. That one is called external organs. Example, ears, eyes, nose, all the one. We are able to see organ, that one is called external organs, etc. Next, internal organs. The organs present inside our body. The organs present inside our body. Example, brain, lungs, stomach, heart, kidneys. So many organs present inside our body. We are unable to see such organs. Today class for you, the internal organ only. What are the internal organ we discussed today? Brain, lungs, stomach, heart and kidneys. Let us see one by one. Hi dears, good morning. Welcome for our science class. What is our topic? My body. Unit 1, lesson 1, my body. It is an interesting topic. Why? We know about ourselves. We know about ourselves. So, it is an interesting topic. Shall we move to the lesson? My body. What are the things we discussed today? Introduction. External organs, internal organs, brain, lungs, stomach, heart, kidneys. This is all the one discussed today class. Let us see one by one. First one, external organs. What is mean by external organs? There are some body parts can be seen, such as eyes, nose, ears, hands and legs. That we can see, such parts that we can see are called external organ. Some body parts present outside the body. We can able to see the body parts. So this one is called external organs. Example, eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs, toes, fingers, all the one. Here you see the picture. Two picture given for you. First one, all the body parts separately having. Be able to see the body parts. Mouth, eyes, leg, ears, hand, head, nose, hair, all the one present where outside the body we can able to see the organs. Here you see another one picture. Eye, eyes, nose, skin, ear, tongue. This also we see. We can able to see the body parts. So this one come under the external organs. Next, internal organs. There are some body parts such as stomach, lungs and heart that are inside our body. We are unable to see them. These body parts are called internal organs. So many organs present inside our body. We cannot able to see such parts that are called internal organs. Here you see the picture. What are the parts come under the internal organs? Right side, eyeball. Inside our eye present. This only give vision. This only give color identification. So, eyeball where it is present? Inside our eye. Next, thyroid. This is also one of the gland present in the neck region. Next, lungs, pancreas, spleen, and then intestine. In the left hand side, brain, heart, kidneys, stomach, liver, bladder. Bladder means gallbladder. This also present inside our body. We are unable to see such parts are called internal organs. What are the parts? Brain, lungs, heart, and then stomach, thyroid, spleen, intestine, bladder, all the one present inside our body. We are unable to see such parts are called internal organs. Today class we discuss internal organs only. First one, brain. Brain is an important organ of our body. It is an important organ. It is protected by the skull. Where it is protected? It is protected by the skull. It has three main parts. The brain has divided into three main parts. What are they? Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. What do you mean by forebrain? The front part of the brain is called forebrain. The back part of the brain is called hindbrain. In between forebrain and hindbrain, that only midbrain. What is the function for the brain? It is commanding center of our body and it helps us to think and perform various actions. The brain only commanding center of our body. Through the brain only we do all the activities. We think and perform various actions. We do many activities in day-to-day life. Reading, writing, speaking, walking, running. All the one with the help of brain only. So, it helps us to think and perform various actions. Next, lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy sac-like organs. It is a pair, that means two lungs are present. It is very soft, spongy, sac-like organs. Where it is located? Organs are located in the chest. It helps us to breathe. That means respiration process. Intake of oxygen from air through the nose and pass it to the lungs. The lungs expands in the position. Intake of oxygen. That time the lungs expands. That means larger in size. Why? The air present, the oxygen air present inside our lungs. So the lungs expands in position. For example, you blow the balloon. How it is having? The balloon becomes larger in size. Same like that. Intake of oxygen. That time the lungs expands in position. Next, release out carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose into the air. The lungs contract in the position. Release out carbon dioxide. That means we release carbon dioxide. That time the lungs become contract. That means smaller in size. Here you see the picture. Intake of oxygen and release out carbon dioxide. This process is called respiration. Intake of oxygen is called inhalation. Release out carbon dioxide, that one is called exhalation. Intake of oxygen time the lungs become larger in size. Release out carbon dioxide on that time the lungs become contract, smaller in size. Shall we move to the next topic? Stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped bag found below the lungs. Stomach is a J-shaped bag. Where it is present? Below the lungs. What is the use for that one? It breaks down the food items and gives us energy. It breaks down the food items and gives us energy. It contains special juice to break down food into energy. Stomach is a J-shaped bag-like structure. Where it is found? It is found below the lungs. It is found below the lungs. What is the use for that one? It break down the food items and give us energy. We eat so many food items, harder particles and then soft particles also we eat. Which one break down the food materials? The stomach only break down the food materials and give us energy. It contains special juice. What is the juice? Pile juice. This only helps the food into smaller particle, break down the food particles and give us energy. Next our topic, heart. Our heart is the pumping organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. The heart only give blood to all part of the body. The heart pumping time, the blood transport to all parts of the body. It is present in the center of the chest. Where it is present? It is present in the center of the chest region. It is made up of muscles. The heart is made up of muscles. Next, the heart beats about 72 times in a minute. Per minute, the heart beat how many times? 72 times. Heart is the pumping organs. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Where it is present? It is present center of the chest region. Heart is made up of muscles. The heartbeat per minute 72 times. Next, kidneys. We have two kidneys. That means pair of kidneys. They are bean-shaped organs. What is the shape of the kidneys? Bean-shaped. Next, the kidneys purify blood by filtering the excess water and toxins. What is the function for the kidney? It purifies the blood by filtering the excess water and toxins. What is mean by filtering the excess water? That means through urine, release out excess water. What do you mean by toxins? It is one of the chemical substance present in urine. What is a chemical substance? Urea, uric acid also present in the urine. So, it filtering the excess water and toxins. Toxins means urea, uric acid. So, we have two kidneys. What is the shape? Bean-shaped organ. What is the function for that kidneys? It purify bloods and also release out, filtering the excess water and toxins. We can able to see one kidney. We can able to live with one kidneys. Two kidneys function also do that one kidney. So, one kidney also functions that person able to live long life. Two also. If two kidney also failure means that only problem. Next, recap. What are the topic today class we discuss? External organs. What do you mean by external organs? Yeah, very good. It is present outside the body. We can able to see the organs. Give some example for external organs. Eyes, nose, legs, hair, fingers, nails. All the one come under the external organs. Next, internal organs. Where it is present? It is present inside our body. We are able to see the internal organs? No, we cannot able to see the internal organs. Give some example for internal organs. Yeah, very good. Kidneys, stomach, heart, liver, brain, all the one external organs. Today class which one discussed? Internal organs only discussed. Brain. First we discuss which one? Brain. Where it is present? It is present in the head region. It is protected by which one? The skull. It is protected by the skull. What is the brain? It can be divided into three main parts. What are they? Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrains. Next, what is the function for the brain? It is a commanding center of our body and also think and perform various actions through the brain only. So, brain completed. Next, lungs. Where it is present? It is present in the chest region. The lungs are present in the chest region. What is the shape of the lungs? Yeah, very good. Spongy, sac-like organs. What is the use of lungs? For respiration. That means help us to breathe. Which air we intake? Oxygen. The intake of oxygen, that time the lungs become expands, that means larger in size. We release out carbon dioxide, on that time the lungs become contract, that means smaller in size. Next, stomach. What is the shape of the stomach? J-shaped bag. Where it is found? It is found below the lungs. What is the use of stomach? It break down the food items and give us energy. What is a special juice? Pile juice. This only help to break down the food materials and give us energy. Next, heart. Heart is the pumping organs. Where it is present? It is present in the chest region, center of the chest region. What is the use for the heart? It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Through blood, oxygen and energy also take to all parts of the body. The heart is made up of muscles. Okay. How many times the heartbeat in a minute? 72 times in a minute. Next, kidneys. How many kidneys are present inside our body? Yeah, very good. A pair of kidneys. Two kidneys are present. Pair means two kidneys are present. What is the shape of the kidneys? Bean-shaped organs. What is the function for the kidneys? Purify blood and also filtering excess water and toxins. I hope you understood this class. The remaining part will continue in the next class. Thank you, dears. Science book reading. Unit 1, My Body. After completed this lesson, you learn what are the things that only learning objectives. Learning objectives. After learning this lesson, the students will be able to identify and describe the internal organs. What are the things you know? Identify and describe the internal organs of humans. And then next, list the main functions of the internal organs. And then third one, differentiate the types of teeth. Fourth one, appreciate the importance of oral health. And then becomes aware of good touch and bad touch. We know about the things that only learning object. Let us learn one by one. First, here give one chart. Let us recall. There are some body parts hidden in the table below. Hidden means என்னது ஒளிஞ்சிருக்கு. Can you spot them? Here given some letters. This one
You join that some letters, you have some body parts present in the box. You find out what are the body parts present in the box. You do in your book. For example, one only I noted here. Here you see hand. Same like that, so many body parts hidden in the table. You find out what are the body parts present in the table. That only first one. Next, internal organs. There are some body parts we can see such as eyes, nose, ears, legs, hands. That we can see, such parts that we can see are called external organs. We see some external organs, that one is called external. For example, eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs, all the one we can able to see. So this one is called external organs. We can see, that only external organs. Next, there are some body parts such as stomach, lungs, heart, all the one we cannot able to see, that are inside our body part, where it is present inside our body, so we are unable to see them inside our body, so we are unable to see them. These body parts are called internal organs. These body parts are called internal organs. We can able to see the eyes, that one is called external organ. Where it is present? It is present outside the body. So this one is called external. External means outside. The word itself having that meaning. Internal. In means inside. Where it is present? The stomach, lungs, heart, liver, all the one present inside our body. So we cannot able to see that one. So that one is called internal organs. Let us learn more about these body parts now. What we know in internal organs. First we discuss about internal organs. In that internal organs, first one brain. Here you see the picture. This is only brain. The folder like structure. Okay. Brain is an important organ of our body. It is protected by the skull. It has three main parts, namely forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Brain is an important organ of our body and it is protected by the skull. Where it is protected? It is one of the important part in our body. Where it is protected? It is protected by the skull. It has three main parts. What are the three main parts? Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain na முன்மூளை. Midbrain na in between. நடுமூளை, பின்மூளை. Hindbrain na பின்மூளை. இப்படி மூணு பார்ட்டாக பிரெயினை பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க. Next, what is the function for the brain? Brain is the commanding center of our body and it helps us to think and perform various actions. Every action that we do, like moving our hands, sitting or walking, is possible only because of our brain. What is the function for the brain? It is a commanding center of the body. Our body, which one command do that activity? You sit in one place, immediately you thought something, want to drink water. Which one command? The brain only command to take water and drink it. Which one help us to take that water? Our hands. Which one give command? The brain only give command. So brain is the important part of our body, commanding center of our body. What is the function for that one? Think and perform various actions. Through the brain only we think and perform various actions. Next, example which one given here? Sitting, walking, all the one possible only because of our brain. Next, the human brain weight. How much weight? About 1.3 kilogram. One human brain weight 1.3 kilogram. Next, here given one activity. Try to answer. Here two option given here. You want to write option. You want to write the correct option. Does nose or brain is an internal organ? Which one internal organ? You write in the space. Next, we can see the internal body parts. True or false? Next, let us play. What is play? Now we play the game. What are the game? Now we play. Memory chain, a brain game, teacher-led activity. Teacher only led activity. How to play? Make the students to sit in a circle. Here you see the picture. How do you sit? The students are sit in the circle in the box. Okay, what we do? First, students sit in a circle. Place a tray with a picture card of different parts, body parts, and an empty tray. One box fully picture card you put. After another one box, empty box. Another one box, which one? Empty tray. Now ask your students to pick a card and name the body part and put the card in the other tray. First two tray, take the two tray. First tray fully have that some body parts drawing. Next tray empty tray. The students go to take any one card and tell the name of the body parts. Put in the empty tray. Same like that, play the game. Call the next students. Ask him to pick another card and name the first and the second card. Now the students know about two body parts. First one students take, second students also take that card. Say the previous card name and then new card name also. Next students pick a card and tells the name of the first two cards and the new cards. Same like that, already two cards taken. The third students coming means the third students take one card. The third student say the name of the card and previous two cards name also want to tell. Same like that. In the same way, all the students take the card one by one and tell the names in the previous cards and the name of the new cards also. This only brain game. Next our body part, lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy sac-like organs located in the chest. They help us to breathe. Here you see the picture. How it is having. It is a spongy sac na pipe ondra maipu. Pair na two in number. Pair of sac-like structure. Lungs are a spongy. How it is having? Spongy, very smooth in structure. Sac-like organs. Where it is present? It is located in the chest part. They help us to, what is the use for that lungs? They help us to breathe. Next, how to breathe? When we breathe in, take in oxygen from the air through the nose, pass into the lungs. The lungs expands in the position. Here what said? When we breathe in, which air we breathe in? Through the atmosphere air, oxygen only we breathe in. Through the nose and pass through the lungs. The lungs expands. We intake that oxygen on the time the lungs become expand in size. Expand means larger in size, big in size. Next, when we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. When we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nose into the air. The lungs contract in the position. Next, we breathe out carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen. Breathe in oxygen. On that time, the lungs become expand, larger in size. We breathe out carbon dioxide. On that time, the lungs become contract. Small in size. Contract means smaller in size. This only breathing. What said here? நம்ம ஆக்சிஜனை இன்டேக் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். அப்போ வந்து என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா லங்ஸ் என்ன ஆகுது, எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் ஆகுது. அதனால என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா லார்ஜர் இன் சைஸாக இருக்குது. நம்ம கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடை ரிலீஸ் அவுட் பண்ணுறோம். உள்ளார இருக்க கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு, லங்ஸில் இருக்க கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு வெளியில் விடுறப்ப என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா த லங்ஸ் பிகம் கான்ட்ராக்ட், ஸ்மாலர் இன் சைஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வி ப்ரூவ் தட் ஒன் எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் ஹவு ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் டேக்ஸ் பிளேஸ். We prove that one experiment. Let us play bigger and smaller. Teacher gives balloon to all the children. Teacher, blow the balloon. What do you see? Teacher என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க? பலூனை ஊதுங்க. என்ன பார்க்குறீங்க? Students tell the answer. It becomes bigger. Teacher, like this, when we breathe in, which air we breathe in? Yeah, very good. Oxygen only. The lungs become bigger. We breathe in, on the time the lungs become bigger. If you let the air out from the balloon, what will happen? The students tell the answer. The balloon becomes small. If we breathe in air, the balloons will bigger in size. Same like that, we breathe air, the lungs become bigger in size. We release out the air from the balloon becomes smaller in size. Same like that, we release carbon dioxide from the lungs. On the time, the lungs also smaller in size. Teacher, yes, like this, when we breathe out air, the lungs become smaller. The lungs act like two balloons inside our chest. As we draw air into the breathing system, the lungs get bigger as they are filled with air. When you breathe out, air is pushed out of the lungs and they get smaller. In the respiration process, we intake oxygen and release out carbon dioxide. Intake of oxygen, on the time the lungs become bigger in size. The release out carbon dioxide, on that time the lungs become smaller in size. This only. Next, internal organs, stomach. Here you see the picture. This only stomach. Stomach is J-shaped bag found below the lungs. What is the shape of the stomach? J-shaped bag like found below the lungs. It breaks down food items and gives us energy. What is the function for that one? It breaks down food items and gives us energy. It contains special juice. Which juice? Pile juice. To break down food into energy. The pile juice only help to break down the food into energy. We eat so many food items. Harder, smooth, all the one we eat. How to break down into smaller particles and give energy? The stomach only break down the food particles with the help of special juice to give energy. What is the shape of the stomach? J-shaped. Where it is found? Below the lungs. The stomach found below the lungs. Next, internal organ, heart. Our heart is a bumping organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. Our heart is a bumping organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It lies in between the lungs, almost in the center of the chest. Where it is present? Center of the chest. It is made up of muscles. Which one made up of muscles? Yeah, heart only made up of muscles. Our heart is the pumping organ. It pumps. Which one pumps? It pumps blood to all parts of the body. It lies. Where it is situated? It lies in between the lungs, almost in the center of the chest. The heart is made up of muscles. It is made up of muscles. Which one made up of muscles? The heart is made up of muscles. Next, internal organs. Before that, more to know about the heart. The heart beats about 72 times in a minute. 1 minute, how many beats will take the heart? 72 times per minute. ஒரு நிமிஷத்தில் எத்தனை தடவை அந்த ஹார்ட் பீட் எடுக்கும்? 72 டைம்ஸ் ஹார்ட் பீட் எடுக்கும். நெக்ஸ்ட், let us make stethoscope. Which one find out the heartbeat? The stethoscope only find out the heartbeat. If you go to the hospital, the doctor take that stethoscope to identify the heartbeat. Per minute, how much it take on? 72 times. What are the things need for make a stethoscope? Things we need: flexible tube, small funnel, duct tap, medium size balloon and scissor. These are all the one need for making stethoscope. Steps to construct. How to construct a stethoscope? Put the small end of the funnel at both ends of the flexible tube tightly. Here you see the picture. What is the one here given? Duct tube, flexible tube, two funnel, this one cello tap, and then small funnel, medium size balloon, scissor. These are all the things need for making stethoscope. Now we see the how to make a stethoscope. Put the small end of the funnel at both ends of the flexible tube tightly. First we want to both end. Which one want to fixed? Here you see the picture. Funnel we want to put tightly. Next, inflate the balloons to stretch it out. Let the air out and then cut the neck of the balloon. First we want to blow the balloon. After what we do? Release out air and then cut the neck of the balloon. Stretch the remaining part of the balloon tightly over the open end of the funnel. அந்த ஓப்பன் எண்டாக இருக்குல்ல ஃபனல், அதில் வந்து என்ன செய்யணும்னா இந்த பலூனை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. டேப் it in place. Next, place the funnel end of the stethoscope on the heart and the other funnel near your ear. Can you listen to the sound of the heartbeat? This only making stethoscope. Next internal parts. Which one? Kidneys. We have 2 kidneys. We have how much kidneys? 2 kidneys. They are bean-shaped organs. Which one? Kidneys are bean-shaped organ. They have 2 kidneys. They are bean-shaped organs. The kidneys purifies blood by filtering excess water and toxins. Excess water and toxins. What do you know here? We have 2 kidneys. One kidney itself we can able to live. But God given 2 kidneys. What is the shape of the kidney? Bean-shaped organ. Shape is bean-shaped organs. The kidneys, what is the function for the kidneys? Purify blood. Impure blood என்ன செய்யுது? பியூரிஃபை பண்ணி கொடுக்குது. அது இல்லாமல் ஃபில்டரிங் எக்ஸஸ் வாட்டர். Filtering excess water and toxins through the urine. Release out water. Excess water release out. Okay. Toxins means, what do you mean by toxin? Some நச்சுத்தன்மையுள்ள பொருளும் அந்த யூரினில் இருக்கும். அதையும் ஃபில்டர் பண்ணி அனுப்புது எது? இந்த கிட்னிஸ் தான் ரிலீஸ் அவுட் பண்ணுது. யூரியா, யூரிக் ஆசிட்டு, இது எல்லாமே அந்த எதில் இருக்கும்? அந்த எக்ஸஸ் வாட்டரில் ப்ரெசண்ட் ஆகியிருக்கும். So this also, the kidneys purify blood by filtering excess water and toxins. Toxins here, what is mean by toxins? Urea, uric acid present in the urine. This only toxins. Next, what are the internal organ we discussed today, class? Yeah, very good. Brains. First one, brain. Second one, which one? Lungs. Third one, stomach. Fourth one, heart. Fifth one, kidneys. Okay. Remaining we see next class.